The contemporary economic landscape is defined by a stark, almost Darwinian disparity. At the top, major corporations operate on a bedrock of specialized intelligence. They have chief financial officers to hedge cash flow, chief marketing officers to exploit market trends, and chief operations officers to optimize logistics. But the small and medium enterprise economy, the backbone of our nation, operates in a vacuum of strategic isolation. Meet Maria. She's a brilliant technician at her craft, but she lacks the specialized training to interpret complex financial ledgers or orchestrate multi-channel marketing campaigns. This creates a strategy gap. Viable businesses fail every day, not because they lack a good product, but because of preventable strategic errors. Introducing Virtual C-Suite, we are closing this gap by democratizing access to high-level corporate strategy. We are providing an on-demand board of directors for the price of a few API calls. This isn't just a chatbot, it is a cognitive simulation built on an event-driven, AI-native architecture. We utilize Liquidmetal Raindrop as our back-end runtime and VoltR's serverless inference solution for cost-effective, high-speed inference. To ensure zero idle server time, we use Raindrop smart buckets and observers. The system is completely cold until a file lands. Once triggered, we don't rely on a single AI chatbot with limited perspective. We use a composition of experts for diversification of thought. Using a scatter-gather approach, we dispatch the data to VoltR serverless inference in parallel. This allows us to simulate a real-time board meeting in seconds rather than minutes. This is where the magic happens. We instantiate distinct agentic personas, each with opposing goals. First, the virtual CFO, programmed to be a ruthless pessimist. It scans the data solely for financial leakage and risk. Its goal is to preserve capital at all costs. Simultaneously, the virtual CMO, the eternal optimist, scans the same data for growth opportunities and brand reach, ignoring the costs. At the same time, the pragmatic virtual COO works to identify inefficiencies, inventory bloat, and operational drag. Finally, the virtual CEO steps in. This agent synthesizes these conflicting perspectives and decides whether to prioritize the CFO's caution or the CMO's aggression based on the business's current health. The result is not just a summary of what happened, it is prescriptive analytics, a clear, actionable strategic roadmap that advises Maria exactly what to do next. By leveraging the speed of VoltR and the event-driven efficiency of Raindrop, Virtual C-Suite empowers the SME economy with the intelligence usually reserved for the Fortune 500. We aren't just building code, we're leveling the economic playing field.